How's it going, YouTube? Back with another sugar-free review. Got a fixed blade here today, the Kizers Ursa Major. Here's the designer. Can't pronounce that, so yeah, not even gonna try. This is the box. You got a box inside of a box. Got a little bit crunched on the way here. Let's see, you got a microfiber cloth, a sticker, and some paperwork. And here's the knife. Bigger than most of their fixed blades lately, but not huge. Definitely a good size. This knife is $70. Fair price. You got a 4.43 inch AEB-L steel, which is kind of similar to 14C28N. 14C28N has just a little bit better edge retention and corrosion resistance, but this one is a little bit tougher. Definitely good for a fixed blade because the edge will more than likely roll before it chips, and it'll take a good edge and sharpens well. But yeah, it's just cool that they're using a different steel. Clip point blade, satin, black grind, 4mm blade stock. Is that right? Doesn't seem right. Yep, 4mm or 0.16 inches. Overall length is 9.13 inches. Don't have a whole lot of fixed blades that are good comparison, but I'll put up a few. Got the new Quaken. Definitely smaller. The Kizers. Just definitely about the same size as the Quaken. And lastly, the Magera Kizer. It's bigger. So the Ursa Major's in between these two. Also, you got a sharp spot right here on your blade in case you want to spark a fire up. Yep. Handle length is 4.7 inches. Yep. The weight on this knife is 5.9 ounces without the sheath, or 8.45 ounces with the sheath. T8 on your 3 screws. Of course, you do have your Kydex sheath. Good retention. Not too hard to disengage. And you got your belt clip push button. Opens up. You can move these slots around depending on how wide your belt is. And you can also take this off and move it over a little bit if you'd like. Kizer does a good job on their Kydex sheaths. At least on all the newer ones. Pretty good. Handles is black G10. You got a little bit of milling on there for some texture. It's not completely contoured, but it's close. Just a little bit of flat area on the middle. And I already mentioned the fire starter spot, but you also have a hex spot. Now the chances of you ever having to use this are rare, but it is there if you need it. The bit will fit in there if you need to do a quick turn and don't have a screwdriver. Of course, you also have your lanyard holes. Not sure why there's 2 of them. I think they could have done a little bit better on the sharpening choil, that's for sure. The edge ends right at the plunge, but you can make that bigger if you want. definitely pretty comfortable. I have no issues there. Maybe if you got gorilla hands and they're back here, it might not be, but should fit most people's hands just fine. I will say this is definitely not a thin and slicey blade. This is more of a outdoors knife when you want to cut wood with. It's kind of Kizers' version of a Rambo knife. It just don't have all the accessories. I like to say, yeah, nice fixed blade. Like the looks of it. Seems like it would be really good in a camping situation. Yeah, I'll have this knife linked down below if you want to pick one up. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like and a comment, and I will see you on the next one.